Charmin20 here, and today you're looking at this thing. What it is? You can tell by the title right there. This is a Lego fire alarm. Other people made like fake alarms that don't use like other ones that don't really real work, but this one does. So I have a switch right here I have a switch right here. First off, I have a switch right here has support. And the switch face is upside down, so the off is actually up here and the on is down there. So yeah. And here are the terminals. If I connected to my fire alarm right here, but I don't have the wires right now, it would actually work. So we're gonna pull it. Just push down. And now it's activated. To reset it, you take off these two purple Legos. It requires 2 hands now. I'm gonna go right over here. And hold on. So I'll put the camera down. So you just go right here and lift this up. Then you put back the purple Legos on each side. Those are the support so it doesn't wobble around. Come on. It's being a little stubborn. Just hold on. There we go. There you go. I will do another video about it being connected to an actual fire alarm right there. Here's my BG8. But anyway, thank you for watching.